welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to show you today how to pull one of these guys apart. If they get jammed up or just stop working, it can be that the insides get debris in them. Very straightforward to get them out. Now I am using a drill, but you'll see here the clutch can be turned right down. To turn that down to the lowest setting. It doesn't matter so much when you're undoing, but when you're doing these up, you mustn't over tighten with the big drill because this is plastic and you'll simply smash it. So they are really big long screws that go in here. There's two here in the back. They come out first, 1 and 2. Then that lifts off. Then there is a third screw in here in the front. Here's the first two in the back. Third screw comes out, and then that just lifts straight off. And have a look in here. You've got all the works, and you can see we've got bits of bark where they shouldn't be, getting into the teeth, getting into the gears. So we're going to pull all of that out, and hopefully you won't have to, but you may even have to turn this and spin the wheels to get everything out. Now make sure you can still spin that. That's the direction the water comes up from the bottom through these and spins that. Make sure that everything is turning, which it is there. So we're all good. It's that simple. And then just check that it's all, oh look at that. Check it's clear underneath the top there as well. Getting that out. And then that sits straight back on top like that. You can see that all lines up. That's gone straight back into place. Front screw in there. As I said, either do it by hand, or if you've got a clutch on your automatic thing, put it on the very lowest setting there is. That's on 1, not on 24. And then you just got a little tab on the front, poke that into the slot, lay that over, drop the screws, and you're back and you're done.